There's a lot of interest in native plants. Let's take a look at a few that I think show great spring color. One of my favorite native plants is yaupon holly, which has very distinctive berries. And boy, are they red, and I mean bright candy apple red. They're translucent with a gem-like appearance. Yaupons are garden jewels that'll sparkle in your landscape. The bark is bright gray and accentuates the berry color. I really like this weeping selection. Our native Oakleaf hydrangea is a Mississippi Medallion winter that begins flowering in mid-spring into the summer. The up to a foot-long flowers are show-stopping white clusters of florets. I love the exfoliating bark. As the thin layers of cinnamon brown outer bark peels, it reveals the lighter colored inner bark. Another spring flowering native I love is the native azalea. I don't think you can beat the pinkish-white flowers of Piedmont azalea or the flame azalea flowers ranging from yellow to fiery orange. These two species bloom on nearly naked stems in the spring. The floral buds swell before opening, and the flowers can be up to 1.5 inches across, and I like how the stamens and pistil extend out of the flower. And who can ignore saucer magnolia, that eternally optimistic harbinger of spring with its beautiful pink to purple flowers? Now, saucer magnolia isn't a Mississippi native, but technically I think it should be because we've been growing it long enough and it certainly adds spring beauty. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.